Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube video. Today we will be discussing about accidentals. Accidentals in music means you're moving either a half or whole step depending on what symbol is in front of you in the music. You may have sharps. Sharps look like a hashtag and sharps move a half step to the right. So if we have G, it would move a half step up to G sharp. And if you notice, these keys are adjacent to each other, so they're right next to each other. Flats are the opposite. Flats look almost like the lowercase b. And flats, instead of moving a half step to the right, you're moving a half step to the left. So with a half step to the left, let's use E as an example. E flat is going down. Now what do you do when you have B and C and there's no black key in between? A half step is literally B to C. B to C sharp is a whole step. So a whole step, you are moving two half steps to the right if you see two double sharps. If you see two double flats, means you are moving two half steps or a whole step to the left. To cancel any sharps or flats, we have a natural symbol. Your natural symbol instantly cancels those accidentals. With your accidentals, if you notice in the music, right next to the time signature, you might have one flat, B flat for key of F or D minor. In that case, accidentals would be like, let's add a G sharp in, let's say, an F major key music. And with that G sharp, that would be your accidental because it does not partake in your key of F. You don't see a G sharp in your F signature, your F key signature, which would be B flat. I hope this helps. Please subscribe. Have a lovely day. Bye.